Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bike lock holder is probably one of the most essential accessories for any cyclist who wants to keep their bike secure and their lock easily accessible, ensuring that you're always prepared to protect your ride from theft without the hassle of carrying your lock separately. This innovative solution offers a convenient way to mount your U-lock or cable lock directly onto your bike frame, making it readily available whenever you need to secure your bicycle, whether you're stopping for a quick errand or parking it for an extended period. Number 5. Velo Heavy Duty U-Lock with Cable. Introducing the Velo Heavy Duty U-Lock. It's sold secure bronze certified, giving you peace of mind for short trips and quick stops. We prioritize material quality over mere thickness. Crafted from hardened steel, it offers exceptional hardness, impact resistance, and cut resistance for reliable protection. This lock is built to last. Its durable, all-weather hexagonal PVC cover protects against water, dust, and dirt, ensuring dependable performance in any condition. Secure your wheels and accessories with ease. The robust U-shackle and included cable provide a strong and convenient locking system for your peace of mind. It comes with 2 keys for your convenience and a high-quality mounting bracket for easy transport on your bike. Installation is simple, just refer to our guide. What we like. This lock is sold secure bronze certified, offering reliable protection for quick stops. Its hardened steel construction prioritizes material quality over thickness for cut resistance. The durable, all-weather PVC cover ensures longevity. If you need a dependable lock for short trips and value all-weather performance, this is a great choice. What people say. The holder is very sturdy and keeps the lock secure. Easy to attach to the bike frame and the lock fits snugly. The design is sleek and doesn't add much bulk to the bike. Number 4. Kryptonite Keeper 785 Bike Chain Lock. Introducing the Kryptonite Keeper 785, a heavy-duty chain lock designed for maximum protection. Its robust construction offers superior resistance against cutting and leverage attacks. This lock features a patented, high-security disc-style cylinder that is resistant to picking and drilling. The secure end-link design eliminates weak points for enhanced safety. A durable rubber coating prevents scratches and wear on your bicycle. The weather-resistant nylon sleeve further protects your bike's finish. Crafted from 7mm hardened steel links, this lock provides reliable security. It offers moderate security, rated 510, for your peace of mind. This lock is eligible for our anti-theft protection offer and key-safe key replacement service. Register to qualify for these valuable programs. Enjoy a limited lifetime warranty with your purchase. Our customer experience team is committed to your satisfaction and product quality. What we like. Featuring a heavy-duty chain made of 7mm manganese steel, this lock offers maximum resistance to cutting and leverage attacks. Its high-security disc-style cylinder is resistant to picking and drilling. The durable rubber coating and nylon sleeve protect your bike and the lock itself. If you're looking for robust security against determined thieves and value a long-lasting, protective chain, this is the one. What people say. The holder is very sturdy and keeps the lock securely in place. Easy to attach to the bike frame and doesn't rattle when riding. The quick-release mechanism makes it simple to take the lock on and off. Number 3. Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the FoldyLock Compact, an award-winning bike lock designed for maximum security. Its patented, lightweight design offers superior protection without the bulk. This is the top-rated choice for a portable folding bike lock. It provides robust protection for your bicycle, ensuring it stays secure wherever you go. Engineered to be drill, saw, and bolt cutter proof, this lock offers unparalleled anti-theft capabilities. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your ride is safe from determined thieves. Built to last with hardened, waterproof, and weatherproof materials, this lock is designed for all conditions. Its multi-locking guard system and anti-tamper rivets provide ultimate security. This lock comes with a convenient key and easy carry case. It unfolds to a generous length, allowing you to secure it to various stands, racks, and bars. The included premium frame mount ensures a quiet ride, eliminating rattles. It's the perfect accessory for mountain, road, and sport bikes, as well as scooters. Recognized with the 2020 European Design Award, this smart bike lock combines maximum anti-theft security with exceptional quality. It's the ideal solution for safe cycling. What we like. This award-winning folding lock offers a smart combination of maximum anti-theft security and quality in a lightweight, compact design. It's bolt cutter, drill, and saw-proof, with anti-tamper rivets for enhanced protection. The included easy carry case and mounting bracket make it convenient for urban cycling. If you prioritize a balance of high security, portability, and a sleek design for city commuting, this is an excellent option. What people say. This lock folds up and stows very nicely on the bike frame, yet unfolds for much more reach and flexibility than a classic U-lock, making it work in more circumstances and easier to lock both the bike frame and one wheel. It is coated so that it does not scrape the paint on my bike frame. As advertised, it also does not make any rattling noises as I ride my bike. This lock seems to be enough of a deterrent or thieves haven't passed by my scooter yet. The lock is a reasonable weight, and I love the small form factor. It mounts easily and quickly to a scooter. Number 2. Fosmon 6 feet heavy-duty bike lock. Introducing Fosmon's heavy-duty bike lock, designed to provide a strong and secure solution for keeping your bicycle safe. It even comes with a convenient mount so you'll always have it with you. This lock is constructed with a 12mm braided steel cable, coated in PVC for protection against the elements and cutting. The hardened zinc alloy core and shackle are built to withstand significant force. Featuring a 5-digit resettable combination, this lock offers 100,000 possible codes, making it incredibly difficult to crack. That's 90,000 more combinations than standard 4-digit locks. Its flexible coil design allows you to secure not only your bike but also other items like yard equipment or exercise gear. It's a versatile security solution for various needs. We stand by our product with a limited lifetime warranty. You can rely on our dedicated USA-based customer service for support, joining millions of satisfied customers. What we like. This heavy-duty, 12mm braided steel cable lock offers flexibility and convenience with its 6-foot length and self-coiling design. It features a 5-digit resettable combination lock with 100,000 possible combinations, making it nearly impossible to break into. The hardened zinc alloy lock core and shackle are built to withstand the elements. If you need a long, flexible lock for securing multiple items or a bike to a rack and prefer the convenience of a combination lock, this is a solid choice. What people say. The bike lock is excellent, especially for the price. The length is perfect for locking up 1 or 2 bikes or our gas generator when left running outside at night during a power outage. The combination is easy to set and open with 5 digits. I also like the mounting clip, which I use to hold the lock under my bike seat when riding. I bought this lock for my electric scooter that I use to commute at college. The mechanism is very smooth and simple to use. The holder that attaches to the scooter was a bit too big, but it just swings from the handlebars and works just fine. A week ago I left for vacation and locked up my scooter in a less than nice part of town. When I came back, it appeared that someone had attempted to cut the lock. The combination was different than when I left it, the scooter was in its folded position instead of upright, and there was a cut mark in the rubber layer of the lock. However, the steel cable remained uncut. Even though it appeared that someone used bolt cutters on it, this lock managed to keep my scooter safe. Definitely worth the purchase. Nice lock cable. Easy to set up and good quality. Number 1. Seatylock FoldyLock Mini Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the top-rated compact bike lock, designed for ultimate portability. It's the best lightweight folding lock to protect your bicycle, offering robust security without a code. This heavy-duty lock provides strong equipment for city cycling, ensuring protection against bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Ride with confidence knowing your bike is secure. Enjoy 3 years of peace of mind with this patented, hardened, and weatherproof bicycle protector. Its anti-tamper rivets and multi-locking system effectively deter thieves. This premium bike lock comes with a master key and an easy carry case. It offers flexible folding, opening up to 29.5 inches, perfect for locking to racks and bars. Experience a quiet ride with this silent gear e-bike lock, featuring a premium frame mount. It's the ideal heavy-duty lock for fixies, folding bikes, and e-scooters. Weighing just 1.95 pounds, 890 grams, this smart bike lock is ultra-lightweight yet offers high security. It's the perfect anti-theft solution for your electric bike. What we like. This ultra-lightweight folding lock is designed for maximum portability and security, weighing only 890 grams. Its compact folding design and included quiet ride mounting bracket make it ideal for electric scooters and city bikes, ensuring no rattling. It's hardened, waterproof, and resistant to bolt cutters, drills, and saws. If you own an e-bike or scooter and are looking for a super light, easy to carry, and secure lock that won't add bulk or noise, this is perfect for you. What people say. The holder is very sturdy and keeps the lock secure. Easy to attach to the bike frame and the lock fits snugly. The design is sleek and doesn't add much bulk to the bike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.